It's Dana Kerigan with Kerigan Marketing Associates. I wanted to come to you today really quickly to warn you guys about a Facebook Meta Business Support scam alert. So here's what's happening, and I've already heard this from 3 different clients today that called me really frantic about this. It happened to us as well, and I just want to put some things to rest here. You may have gotten a Facebook message through Instant Messenger that says your business page has been disabled on your Facebook business page. And it may list a different company. Somebody like INC International Concepts has noticed that you have used somebody else's photo, or you've done something that is, you've shared content that's misleading. It's a scam. What it wants you to do is to click a link that is embedded in that message. That's a phishing scam. It's going to get your information if you click that link. So please, 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 one, don't worry, don't panic about this. 2, please do not click that link. Your Facebook business page is completely fine. It is not being disabled. One of the telltale signs I can tell you that when you get this alert, it says it's coming from Facebook Business Support, but if you're not completely in tune with this, the logo that it uses, the Meta logo, is actually upside down. So that's one of the first things that it tells us, that this is a scam. The other thing, Facebook Meta Business will never send you something that wants you to click a link. And if you look at what the link URL is, it's not even something legitimate. So just don't panic. If you have any questions, please reach out to me directly. You can send me a message on our Facebook Messenger or dana@kerigan.com. Shoot me a quick email and I'll be happy to take a look at it for you. But please, please, please don't panic and do not click on that link. I'm going to also send you a picture in the comments of an example of what it might look like. But if you have any questions, just let me know. Hope this is helpful. Have a great day.